Students, once again welcome all of you. Today we are going to discuss the three types of simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue or homogeneous tissue, as I told you, has got three types of tissues, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. These are the three types of simple permanent tissue or homogeneous tissue. So let us discuss all the three one by one. First, we have got parenchyma tissue. That's made up of parenchyma cells, which are the most abundant cells that you will find in plant body. The cells of parenchyma are usually having very thin cell walls and are round or oval shaped cells made up of cellulose. They are loosely packed with lot of intercellular spaces between them. Let us try to see one of the cross sections of a parenchyma tissue. Here you will find a nucleus. We have the shape of the cells as round. There are also large vacuoles present, and you will find lots of intercellular spaces between the cells. So, as I told you, parenchyma cells or parenchyma tissue you will find in most of the parts of the plant. You will find them at the leaves, in fruits, in roots, as well as in the stem of the plant body. The cells are round or oval shaped. There are lots of intercellular spaces between them. There is a reason for having a lot of intercellular spaces that we will come to know in upcoming discussions. Parenchyma makes the largest portion of plant body. As I told you that it is the most abundant tissue that you will find in higher plants. The main function of parenchyma is to provide support. It not only provides support to the plant body, but it also helps in the healing and repair of tissues, and also store food. As I very much showed you that there are large vacuoles. They not only store starch but also some oils that are required by the plant body. In some plants you will find parenchyma has chloroplasts. So obviously they will contain chlorophyll and carry out the process of photosynthesis in some plants, and there they are known as chloroenchyma. So that is chlorophyll plus parenchyma, known as chloroenchyma tissue. In aquatic plants or water plants, where you need the plant body to have buoyancy or to float on the water, so buoyancy to the plants is ensured by parenchyma cells having large air cavities, and there they are known as aerenchyma because of the air cavities. So air plus parenchyma makes them aerenchyma. So we have parenchyma tissue present all over the plant body. In certain cases you will find chloroenchyma. Chloroenchyma is nothing but parenchyma having chlorophyll in it and carrying out the process of photosynthesis. While as in water plants or aquatic plants, you have parenchyma modified as aerenchyma. So aerenchyma again is nothing but parenchyma cells with large water cavities. So that is the parenchyma tissue. Then we have second type of simple permanent tissue, that is collenchyma. Collenchyma tissue or collenchyma cells. The cell wall of collenchyma is thickened at corners. It is like this, thickened at the corners. You will find again vacuoles are present, cytoplasm and the nucleus. This is one of the transverse sections of a collenchyma tissue. So again, collenchyma cells thickened at corners. Intercellular spaces are very few as compared to parenchyma cells. Collenchyma cells, they provide flexibility. That is why you will see most of the plant bodies, they resist or withstand heavy winds or storm. Also collenchyma cells are present at the stalks of leaves or flowers. Here you will find collenchyma cells or collenchyma tissue. It saves stalk from breaking away. So it is present in leaf stalk below the epidermis. Due to this, the leaf stalk can easily bend but not break. It can bend because the colon-chyma cells provide the flexibility and stop the leaf stalk from breaking away. They are long and uh, thick-walled cells. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Here you will find pectin because their job is to provide structural rigidity and flexibility. And there are no interstellar spaces or very few interstellar spaces as compared to parenchyma cells. Then we have got the third type, that is the sclerenchyma tissue or sclerenchyma cells. In this case, the cell wall is highly thickened all around, not only at the corners, but the cell wall is highly thickened all around. The cells are mature, they are mature cells, they are dead. Intercellular space is absent because they have to provide structural rigidity. You will find these cells at the coconut husk or the nut walnut coverings, or you will find the bark is composed of sclerenchyma tissue. The cells are thick walled with various shapes and sizes. They provide structural rigidity to plant pots. It is like this. You can find different cells with various shapes and sizes, and their main job is to ensure the structural rigidity to the certain plant parts where it is necessary. So these are the three types of simple permanent tissue, that is parenchyma, colon-chyma and sclerenchyma tissue. I hope you understood, and we will continue the further discussion on plant tissues in upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.